The Reftekk Swage Swedging tool was designed specifically for making swedges for brazing. Swedging for solder is an entirely different swedge. It's a deeper socket. To get a proper brazing swedge, you need to have special tools. It makes it much easier to braze. You get a proper braze if you design the head of the tool for the ASME brazing standards. I'll show you that in a sec. So we use a standard Makita battery. It's a hydraulic head. The hydraulic head has a piston on it. The hydraulic head has a piston on it that will push out, and it will push through the center of this head and expand the head. So you just simply spin it on and spin it off. We have heads from 3/8 of an inch through 1 5/8. So it will expand the tube and give you a proper brazing swedge. When you cut the tubing, if you don't ream it, you can have a reaming edge here and this won't go in. So we have made a flat spot on the end of that is made to smash. It's made to smash that edge that's left on there from cutting. So now the tube will go in. Pull the trigger, and now you get a proper brazing swedge. That's how the tool works. Now, if for some reason that your next piece of tube is too tight, you can then rotate this 15 degrees, pull it one more time, and you can smash those 9 ribs that were left in it from the first one and give you a little more tolerance. So there's a lot built into this tool that makes it easy to use.